Greetings. In the previous lectures 1 and 2, we have studied the derivatives using chain rule or derivatives of composite functions, and we have solved some examples based on this. In this lecture, we are going to learn the derivative of inverse functions, the list of formulae of standard inverse trigonometric functions, and some examples based on this. So let us start with the theorem derivatives of inverse functions. If y equal to f of x is 1 1 and onto differentiable function of x on interval I, as we want inverse function, the inverse of function exists only if it is 1 1 and onto. Hence y equal to f of x we consider as 1 1 and onto differentiable function of x on interval I, such that dy by dx not equal to 0. Also, x equal to f inverse y is differentiable on f of y. So inverse function भी differentiable है. Then d by dy of f inverse y equal to 1 upon f dash of x. In other words, dx by dy, because f inverse y is nothing but x, equal to 1 upon dy by dx. This definition is important for us. If fy equal to f of x is invertible function which is differentiable, and the inverse of function also differentiable, then dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Already we have seen the proof of the theorem in Zoom lectures, so I'll not go into the proof of this, but the last line dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx, that is very important for us. Also, we have studied in Zoom lecture the derivatives of standard inverse trigonometric function. So let us compile them in a table. It is derivative of standard inverse trigonometric functions with conditions. So table consists of 3 important columns: y, its derivative with respect to the conditions. So sin inverse x का derivative है 1 upon under root 1 minus x square with these conditions. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 if x greater than 1, minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 if x less than minus 1. Make a correction over here, it is cosec inverse x. So derivative of cosec inverse x minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 for x greater than 1, and 1 upon x under root x square minus 1 if x less than 1. Let us try to solve some examples on derivatives of inverse functions. Find the derivative of y equal to f of x using the inverse function in following example 9 to 11. So in example 9 to 11 हमको dy by dx कैलकुलेट करना है बट यूजिंग इनवर्स फंक्शन. मतलब हमको डेफिनेशन यूज करना है दो थ्योरम में हमने लास्ट देखा था, dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Hence dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy. dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy. From this definition we have to solve. So let's start with example number 9. Y equal to root x. So we know the answer, that answer is 1 upon 2 root x, but we have to use inverse function to solve this. So to find the inverse function, so सबसे पहले हमको x express करना पड़ेगा in terms of y. Then we will calculate dx by dy, and replacing that in the formula we get the answer. So as y equal to root x, square करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, x equal to y square. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy. that is equal to 1 upon d by dy of y square. Till now we have differentiated x with respect to x. Here we are differentiating y with respect to y. So nothing is changed. Instead of x we are differentiating with respect to y. तो रूल तो वही आएंगे. So जो x के लिए किया था वही y के लिए कर रहे हैं, because we are differentiating function of y with respect to y only. So nothing has to be changed. So y square का डेरिवेटिव आपको मिलेगा 2y. So that is equal to 1 upon 2y and that is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Next example, y equal to under root of 2 minus root x. Again we have to express x in terms of y. So square करेंगे, y square equal to 2 minus root x. Therefore root x equal to 2 minus y square. Again squaring, we get x equal to 2 minus y square bracket square. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy. That is equal to 1 upon d by dy of 2 minus y square bracket square. So this is something square. It is not y square, it is 2 minus y square square. So we have to use something square का formula. So something square के formula से क्या मिलेगा आपको? 2 into 2 minus y square into derivative of 2 minus y square. And what is the derivative of 2 minus y square? Derivative of 2 is 0 minus y square का derivative 2y. So substituting this we get minus 1 upon 2 into 2 minus y square into 2y, and that is equal to minus 1 upon 4y into 2 minus y square. That is equal to minus 1 upon 4 root x into under root of 2 minus root x, because 2 minus y square का वैल्यू क्या है आपका root x और y का वैल्यू है under root of 2 minus root x. So replacing this in this equation we get the required solution. Next example, y equal to cube root of x minus 2. So cube करेंगे both side. Y cube equal to 2 minus x. Therefore x equal to y cube plus 2. Sorry, just make a correction. Y cube equal to 2 minus x. Therefore x equal to 2 minus y cube, not y cube plus 2. It should be 2 minus y cube. Make a correction over here. So accordingly हम change करेंगे नीचे. X equal to, what you will do, ये x उधर shift करो, y इधर shift करो, तो आपको मिलेगा x equal to y cube minus 2. Sorry, 2 minus y cube. 2 minus y cube. So dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy. That is equal to d by dy of 2 minus y cube. D by dx of 2 minus y cube. So simplifying this, just a minute, I have made a mistake here. ये correct है. Y cube equal to x minus 2, not 2 minus x. X minus 2. Therefore x equal to y cube plus 2. This is correct. X minus 2. ये correction करना है. Y cube equal to x minus 2. So x equal to y cube plus 2. That is correct. 1 upon dx by dy, that is equal to 1 upon d by dy of y cube plus 2. So differentiating this we get 1 upon 3y square. And that is equal to 1 upon 3 into x minus 2 raised to 2 by 3. यहाँ पे correction है. There should be x minus 2 raised to 2 by 3, not 3 by 2. Because raised to 2 and here raised to 1 by 3. So 2 by 3. Okay. Make a correction. Find the derivative of inverse function in the following example 12 and 13. Directly हमको inverse function का derivative निकालना है. So y equal to x square into e raised to x. Here to express x in terms of y it is difficult, but to find dy by dx it is very easy. So what we will do, we will find out dy by dx, and using the formula dx by dy we will find out dx by dy. So first of all differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore we get d by dx of x square into e raised to x, that is equal to x square d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x d by dx of x square. Using UV rule we have this step. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of x square is 2x. So x square e raised to x plus e raised to x into 2x. So taking x e raised to x common, in bracket we get x plus 2. But we want to calculate dx by dy. Hence dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Replacing the value we get 1 upon x e raised to x into x plus 2. Next example, y equal to x cos x. Again हमको dy by dx निकालना है. So differentiate y with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equal to d by dx of x cos x. That is equal to x d by dx of cos x plus cos x d by dx of x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of x is 1. So x into minus sin x plus cos x, that is equal to cos x minus x sin x. Therefore, dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx, that is equal to 1 upon cos x minus x sin x. Find the derivative of inverse function in the following example 14 and 15, and also find the value at indicated point. वही करना है, dx by dy निकालना है at some particular point. Y equal to x raised to 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x at x equal to 1. डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे एडिशन रूल से, dy by dx मिलेगा आपको 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3. Therefore dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx, and that is equal to 1 upon 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3. At x equal to 1 we have to find, therefore dx by dy, not dy by dx, dx by dy at x equal to 1 equal to, इसमें हम x की जगह 1 डालेंगे तो we get 1 by 14. Next example, y equal to e raised to x plus 3x plus 2 at x equal to 0. So again differentiating with respect to x, so we get d by dx of e raised to x plus 3x plus 2. Using addition rule, differentiation किया तो e raised to x plus 3. Therefore dx by dy is 1 upon e raised to x plus 3. So at x equal to 0, dx by dy, again correction, dx by dy at x equal to 0, x की जगह 0 डालना है, that will be e raised to 0 plus 3, e raised to 0 is 1, that is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so till example number 14 we have solved 9 to 15 में हमने क्या क्या किया है, we have solved the derivatives using inverse function, we have found derivatives of inverse function, and lastly we have found the derivatives of inverse function at particular point. In the next lecture we will be solving some additional examples of derivatives containing inverse trigonometric function.